If you bought a Switch 2 and it came with the online membership as well as the expansion pack, here's how to enter and claim it into the Switch 2. Now what you want to do is first head over to the Nintendo shop down here. Just go ahead and come over to your home screen and press on the Nintendo shop. Then select the account where you want to claim the membership. I'm going to use my account right here. And then on the left side, you want to go down to where it says enter code. And then right here, you're going to put the code that comes in this paper, but you have to scratch this off first. Now, once you got the code, go ahead and put it in here. And once you got your code in here, make sure it matches exactly the one in your paper. Go ahead and press OK over here. And then feel free to read through this prompt in here. And if you agree, just scroll all the way down and press confirm, and then it will have you set up a payment method for when your subscription is over. Now this is a 1-year membership, so I'm probably going to get rid of my payment method before this ever ends, but go ahead and add a payment method in here. Don't worry, they won't charge you for this, okay? They only charge you for whatever else you purchase, not for this. This is completely free. And once you selected a payment method, just go all the way down in here. Of course, feel free to read through all of this, and if you agree, press agree, and then go ahead and press where it says redeem. After a couple seconds, you'll get this in here saying thank you. You already got your membership in here. Now you could start enjoying your online membership, and of course, if you got the expansion, you're gonna start playing those Game Boy Advance games or all the other simulators like the GameCube and all of those. And that is it, guys, how to claim your online membership and the expansion pack with the Switch 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.